Okay, so in terms of earthworks, we're on taupo time at the moment, but eventually we are going to have some diggers coming to do some work on the property. So I'll let you know what we're planning for the property. As we come in the driveway, you can see that this area slopes up and it's a bit bumpy as it comes in for the cars. So what we're planning to do is to flatten this area and put some gravel down and flatten it so that it's still a little bit of a rise up to the house slab there. So this is where the house is eventually going to go, and this area right past the fences goes back about 60 metres to the fence line, and there's the view of the mountains there. So this will be the house slab, and down here where the sheds are is an area that we're going to flatten out. So that hill to the right hand side of the sheds, we're going to take earth from there, move it over to the left and make all of this area down the bottom flat. So we've got more sheds, maybe a place for extra paddocks to have the horses or cows. Over here is an area for the driveway, so we'll have a gravel driveway down here so we can get the motorhome, horse float, ute, whatever, down to this area. And we're going to have steps from where the house is eventually going to be down to this area, so we probably need a fire pit and a couple of barbecues down there as well. The big water tank on the left hand side will also go down around here, so we're getting water and power hooked up eventually, hopefully in the next couple of days. And this will be a lot flatter where I'm standing now, and we'll have a couple of farm tracks. So where the cows are, our two cows, that's also our land, that little wedge there. So there'll be a track that comes down to the right at the base of this hill, following along, following that fence line and dividing paddocks from planting space, going over to the trough at the far end there, and the fence line on the far end is not ours, so that's the dairy farm that borders on the property. So our property is in an L shape, and there's a lot of land behind that conservation area in the back. So we'll have a farm track looping down to the left around the back of those trees, and coming back at the base of the trees and up the fence line again. So hopefully we'll be able to do a circuit of the property. So that's it. A lot of work to be done, and I think it'll look a little bit different next time we have one of these to show you.